Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your brother Wani Adil. I welcome you all to this channel, Success for You. Today we are with part number 2 for Indian culture and heritage. So let us see some more MCQs for this topic. The very first question is, which among the following is a folk dance of India? Manipuri, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Garba. So the right answer for this question is option number D, that is Garba. So D part is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following is a popular folk dance of Maharashtra? Bhangra, Tamasha, Dandiya, ya Garba? So the right answer for this question is option number B, that is Tamasha. In which language was the Srimad Bhagavad Gita originally written? Pali, Sanskrit, Apabhramsa, Prakrit. So right answer is Sanskrit. Option number B. The oldest form of composition of the Hindustani vocal music is Ghazal, Drupad, Thumri, Afsana. So the correct answer is option number B, that is Drupad. The paintings of Ajanta depict the stories of Panchatantra, Jatakas, Mahabharata, Ramayana. So the right answer for this question is option number B, Jatakas. Next question. Kathak is the principal classical dance of Eastern India, Northern India, Southern India, Western India. So the right answer for this question is option number B, Northern India. Mughal paintings flourished during the reign of Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, Jahangir, Akbar. Right answer for this question is option number C, that is Jahangir. The Flamenco festival is celebrated in Uttarakhand, Kerala, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. So the right answer is option number D, that is Andhra Pradesh. Next question is, the Sangai festival is organized in Assam, Tamil Nadu, Manipur, Meghalaya. Correct answer for this question is Manipur. Sangai festival is organized in Manipur. Next question is, the temples at Khajuraho are Jain temples, Saivid temples, Vaishnavite temples. Choose the correct answer below. Only first and second, only second and third, only first and third, all the above, that is 1, 2 and 3. So correct answer is all the above, that is 1, 2 and 3. Next question is, which of the following statements about the Gandhara school of art is incorrect? Incorrect बता रहा है यहाँ पे, आपको देखना है. The Gandhara art primarily depicts the Buddhist themes. Gandhara school of art enjoyed the liberal patronage of Indo-Greek rulers. So the right answer for this question is only second, that is Gandhara school of art enjoyed the liberal patronage of Indo-Greek rulers. Next question is, in which of the following city of India Elephant Festival is celebrated annually? Jodhpur, Raipur, Jaipur, Ajmer. So correct answer for this question is Jaipur, Rajasthan. Midam Mehfi festival is celebrated annually by which community in northeastern India? Khasi, Deori tribe, Garo, Tai Ahom. Tai Ahom is the correct answer. Ahom या Tai Ahom जो ट्राइब है, कम्युनिटी है, वही मीदाम में फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करती है. The fire temple is a place of worship for which of the following community? Buddhists, Zoroastrians, Shintos, Sikhs. So correct answer for this question is Zoroastrians. Which among the following is the oldest surviving rock cut cave in India? Bagh caves, Udaygiri caves, Barabar caves, Ellora caves. Correct answer for this question is Barabar caves. Now this is question for you. Yakshagana, a dance form, is popular in which state of India? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. Previous question for you. इसका आंसर था इंदिरा गांधी मेमोरियल टुलिप गार्डन, यानी कि एशियाज लार्जेस्ट टुलिप गार्डन जो है. So thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and share our videos. Also do subscribe if you are new to this channel.